Hey guys, welcome back to How to Shout. If you want to install Fastfetch on your Ubuntu Linux system, whether you are using Ubuntu 24.04 LTS or the latest Ubuntu 26.04 LTS, then this tutorial is for you. As we know, Fastfetch is a command line tool that displays detailed system information directly in the terminal, including your Linux distribution, kernel, CPU, GPU, memory, and other hardware details. Installing Fastfetch is quite easy. However, there is one difference between Ubuntu 24.04 and Ubuntu 26.04. Ubuntu 26.04 includes Fastfetch in its default repositories, but Ubuntu 24.04 does not. In this video, I will also show how to install it on both the versions. Before we begin, one thing you should know is that Neofetch, which was previously the most popular tool for displaying system information, is no longer actively maintained. That's why many Linux users are now switching to Fastfetch. So let's get started. First, I will show how to install Fastfetch on Ubuntu 26.04. Open your terminal on your Linux. Let me first check which version I am using. As you can see, I am running Ubuntu 26.04. I have already written a detailed step-by-step article on this, and I will leave the link in the description if you would like to follow the written guide as well. So to install Fastfetch on Ubuntu 26.04, simply type or simply run sudo apt install Fastfetch. You can see the package is available directly from the Ubuntu 26.04 default repository. Once the installation is complete, simply run Fastfetch. And here you can see all the system information, including operating system, kernel, CPU, GPU, memory, and other hardware details. If you run the same command sudo apt install Fastfetch, you will notice that the package isn't available in the default Ubuntu 24.04 repository. So there are two ways to install it. Either you can use the official PPA if you are comfortable adding a new one. The second option which I will show here is to download the official Debian package directly from the Fastfetch GitHub release page. So open the GitHub release page. Depending on your system architecture, download the appropriate package. Most users should download the AMD64.deb package. Simply copy the download link. Now go back to your Ubuntu 24.04 terminal and use wget and paste your link. Press the enter key. The Debian package will be downloaded on your system. To install it, you can either use dpkg or apt. I will use apt here. Sudo apt install the package name. Press the enter key. Wait for the installation to finish. If you see warning message during installation, don't worry. As long as the installation completes successfully, Fastfetch has been installed correctly. To run it, again type Fastfetch. This time you can see it is running on Ubuntu 24.04 and the Fastfetch is displaying all the system information correctly. So that is how you can install Fastfetch on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So in case you prefer written instructions, I have already published a detailed step-by-step guide on this. I will leave the link in the description of this video. You can follow it anytime. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.